Welcome to Dakota Micro Video Demos. This video will focus on unboxing a standard AgCam kit. The standard AgCam kit consists of a monitor, a camera, and all the accessories you need to use your AgCam. Some of the kits are dual camera and some are single camera. Monitors are boxed separately. The monitor kit contains a monitor, wire harness, sun shield, 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter, AC power adapter, monitor remote control, monitor bracket with mounting bolts to secure bracket to monitor, and your user manual. The individually boxed camera kit contains one camera, camera tail, magnetic mounting bracket with screw and washer set to secure the bracket to the camera, 20-foot and 60-foot power and video cables, and your user manual. We've built two fuses into your system. One is in the power plug of your monitor wire harness, and the other is inside your 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. If you ever have a surge of any kind, these two fuses will protect your system. Thank you for watching this Dakota Micro video demo. For additional assistance, visit dakotamicro.com.